name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. As a designer, I'm extremely happy to show to you another new feature in Adobe Photoshop CC. I'm talking about Frame Tool. You can find Frame Tool under the Crop tool in the options bar. Simply click on a Frame Tool and voila, you will be able to create your frame. As you notice, guys, Photoshop automatically created a new frame layer. You can rename this layer. I will rename it to tutorial, just like that, and voila. In the properties panel, you can modify your frame. You can apply a stroke, you can modify a stroke, you can edit context and everything like that. But let's talk about how you can drop content inside your frame. You can drop it from your local drive or from your Creative Cloud library. I have opened my Creative Cloud library, so I will be using images from this library. I will click on my image and I will drag this image into my frame. And voila, guys. Now, if you would like to select your frame, one click and voila, you will be able to select your frame. If you would like to select only your image, double click and voila, you will be able to select only the image. If you will double click again, you will be able to select the frame and the image, just like that. Guys, this was first way of creating your frame. Let me delete this example and I will show to you another example. I have this image in my Creative Cloud library. I will click on it and I will drag it into my document. I will scale it down. I will reposition it just like that. I will click OK to accept this layer. Now, guys, in Layers panel, right click on my image layer and here I have frame from layers. I will click on it. I will rename my frame to tutorial. No surprise in here, and voila. I will be able to select my content, or I will be able to select my frame and my content, just like that, and voila. Let me show to you another way of creating your frame. Example, I have created this ellipse. And now I would like to convert this ellipse to frame. Guys, in Layers panel, I will click on ellipse layer, right click, and convert to frame. I will rename this frame to tutorial, and voila, I have created my frame. I can drop content, and voila. Now, guys, I will show to you another way of creating your frame. Example, I have highlighted my type tool, and I will type example tutorial. Tutorial, just like that. I'm happy with it. Everything is perfect. I'm perfectly happy with my text, my tutorial. Now, guys, what I will do, in Layers panel, I will right click on my tutorial layer and convert to frame. Rename it, and voila, now I will drag my image into my frame. I can resize it, I can do anything I want to. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. It's so perfect, it's so easy, it's just perfect. Just try it and let me know how much you like it. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. And I will see you just in a second with another new feature in Adobe Photoshop CC.